EverBrite headlamp. And I really like these guys for the simplicity of their lights. You're not doing a dance to figure out what setting you're in. So this one does adjust, and this one is unlike any other headlamp I've seen. So this one focuses in and out. So you can actually focus that beam in and out. That's, point of focusing in and out. We'll take this downstairs in a minute, but before I want to kind of show you the feature. So one thing this thing has, other than the focus, is the ability to turn it on and off with just your hand, right? So I can turn this on and on. It has a sensor on it, right? Like a motion sensor. So on or off, and then we will go through the different modes. It's got, I believe, 4 different modes. So there you go, and there you go, bright. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this thing off, and we're gonna turn it on. And you can see right there I have my flag. We'll focus in on the flag. All right, and then we'll open it up all the way, okay? And I'll go through the different settings. So this is the brightest, and then a little less bright, and then flashing, which drives me nuts. So we'll just go to the lowest setting, and again, I'll focus this in. There you go, and then I'll focus it out. And then we'll go up to the brightest setting, and again, we'll focus it in, and we'll focus it out. You can also adjust this, so if, let's say, I wanted to have this kind of facing like out front, but down. And actually, if I was kind of walking, I probably want to go a little bit brighter. I can have this sort of facing down with adjusting this up here. So you can adjust this down and it'll stay, or you can go up like most headlamps. All right, so this is EverBrite headlamp, 4 modes, zoomable. Very interesting. Never seen a light that does that. I think it's really neat. EverBrite, what else are they going to come out with? I'm not sure what else they can add into a headlamp, because they have some innovative headlamps out there. Check them out.